Did I hear birthday? Does that mean we're gonna have a birthday pilau?
Uh-huh. It's Kiduchu's birthday. But I think we can give her something even better than birthday pilau.
What could be better than birthday pilau?
How about a trip to outer space?
Does that mean she'll get to see how the Earth moves around the sun?
Ha-ha! Yes, Ngedere. But maybe you should travel into outer space too, so you can really be sure what moves around what. See you in space, Ngedere.
Wait, a monkey in space? Ooh.
Happy birthday, it's your special day. Shake, shake and celebrate, shake, shake and celebrate.
Make a wish, Kiduchu, it's your birthday.
You don't have to make your wish now, Kiduchu. You can save it for a time when you need it most. Congratulations, Kiduchu. You are another year older. And you know what that means? You've completed another trip around the sun.
But Mama Dege, Kiduchu has never been to the sun.
We don't need to go to the sun to journey around it.
But how can we travel around the sun if we're here on the Earth?
Aha! But on the Earth, we are traveling around the sun. We are traveling around it all the time. Again and again. It's called orbiting.
Orbiting?
Just imagine, this here is the sun, and I am the Earth.
You don't look much like the Earth, Mama Dege.
That's why I said, imagine I am the Earth. You see, kids? So the Earth orbits the sun like this. Round and round it goes, moving every second of every minute of every day. You see?
Whoa! So did we just circle the sun right now?
Well, it's not that fast. It takes a whole year for the Earth to complete a journey around the sun.
Hold on. That means every time I turn a year older, I've completed another journey around the sun.
Exactly!
Congratulations, Kiduchu!
Kiduchu! Yeah!
Let's hear it for Kiduchu!
Whoa! Congratulations, Kiduchu! Congratulations!
Wait, I was born at 9 p.m., so technically, I don't turn 12 until 9 p.m. tonight. That means I still have 3 hours left until I've completed my 12th journey around the sun.
Heh! 3 hours? That's ages. Can't we have the birthday pilau right now? I'm hungry.
Hey, Ngedere, where is that pilau you promised us?
Yeah, I'm hungry too.
Just you wait right here. Gedere's famous pilau is coming right up.
Oh, food! I will go and get my chicks.
A lift? Well, I don't really. But I guess this bowl of pilau is pretty big. Is it a good idea to take a lift? Okay, let's go. But my pilau!
Huh? Ngedere, what if he's in trouble? Let's go find him.
But what if he comes back and no one's here? Okay, here's the plan. Barack and I will stay here in case Ngedere comes back.
Good idea, Koba. Kibena, Amani, let's go investigate.
Ngedere! Ngedere!
Ngedere!
Where are you, Ngedere?
Ngedere, where are you? Oh no! Ngedere! Wait!
Huh? And look, he's left his pillow. Ngedere would never ever leave his pillow. What if someone took him? He could be in danger.
Or maybe they offered him a lift. It's no big deal. People get lifts in cars and lorries all the time.
No way! You should never take lifts from anyone you don't know, no matter how nice the person seems, or how great the car or spaceship looks. Always put your safety first. We have to help find Ngedere. Sorry if I'm getting really upset. I just worry about my friends getting into trouble. Don't worry, Kibena. We may just be kids, but kids can help keep other kids safe.
Maybe Ngedere didn't know not to take lifts with strangers. Like me until a few minutes ago.
As soon as we find him, that'll be the first thing we tell him. How can we find him if we don't know where they're taking him? Aha! A clue. Crater Critter's daycare, the moon, outer space. I bet this is where they... The moon? Outer space?
How can we help Ngedere while he's way up on the moon? Wait, where's the moon?
Don't be silly, Amani. The moon is always up in space. Huh?
Great. First we've lost Ngedere, and now we've lost the moon.
If we could just find a way to get to space, then I'm sure we'll find the moon. Moons don't just disappear. And Ngedere needs us.
Kiruchu, you're the one who wants to be an astronaut. How can we make it to outer space?
The first female astronaut in East Africa, in fact. Astronauts use rockets, but I don't see any lying around here. Unless I still have my birthday wish to make.
Do you think it could really work?
It's worth a try. For my birthday, I wish we were in outer space. It's no use. It didn't work. It worked! It really worked!
Look, it's the Earth! Oh, and Africa looks so small!
I'm a real-life astronaut!
And I feel as light as a feather! Watch this!
Let's not forget why we're here. We need to find the moon and save Ngedere from those aliens.
But where is the moon?
That's weird. I thought the moon was always in the sky.
Yeah, it should be right here.
What if the aliens have taken the moon too? Of course we can't see the moon.
We can't?
No, because the moon is on the other side of the Earth. It is? Yes! I can't believe I forgot. The moon moves in a circle around the Earth. What did Mama Ndege call that again? Orbiting. Right. The moon orbits the Earth, which means that it is constantly moving around the Earth. So if we can't see the moon right now, that must mean it's on the other side of the Earth from where we are.
If the moon is orbiting the Earth, then we can just wait here and let the moon come to us.
It can't take that long. Try 1 whole month.
Huh?
Sorry to be the bearer of bad news, but it's true. The moon moves in a circle around the Earth. The moon cycle takes a full month. That's why each month, as the moon orbits the Earth, we see it go from a little slice that becomes thicker and thicker until we see a full moon. And then it gets thinner again until it seems to completely disappear.
That's a lot of information, Kiduchu. But let's not panic. If the moon has already gone halfway around the Earth, then we only have to wait for half a month before it comes back around to us.
Half a month. That's about 2 weeks. No way can Gedera go a whole 2 weeks without pilau. Whoa! Look at this!
We might have just found a solution.
Look at that! The moon!
Huh? Are you sure that's the moon? But it's so dark. I thought it was meant to light the Earth up at night.
You're right, Amani. It looks like the moon only gives light to the sun, not the Earth. The moon doesn't have its own light to give off. It reflects the sunlight like a mirror. What? I read it in my astronaut book. Outer space is so cool. Oh, I get it. We only see the moon where the sunlight hits it. The sun's rays light it up for us to see from all the way down on Earth. But because the moon is orbiting the Earth, the sun hits it in different ways, depending on where the moon is on its path around the Earth. So when the moon passes between the Earth and the sunlight only hits the part of the moon that's facing away from the Earth, so we can't see it.
And that's why on other nights the moon looks so bright. It's just reflecting the light from the sun. Why do I get the feeling that the sun is at the center of this?
We found the moon! Now let's find that monkey friend of ours.
Imagine if walking around Kokatoa could be like this.
It must be because there's less gravity here. Gravity is just an invisible force which pulls us down. There's less gravity up here than on Earth, so the force pulling us down is weaker. But less gravity means jumping is easier.
Oh.
But I bet playing football with less gravity would be funny.
She shoots. She scores.
She saves.
Do you think it's Ngedere?
There's only one way to find out. Oh my goodness!
Look, there he is.
Oh, poor Ngedere. Right, I'm going in to rescue him. Have you seen how steep those crater walls are? There's no way you'll manage to climb back out.
That's it. Ngedere can jump his way out. If there's less gravity to pull him down, he should be able to bounce higher. Ngedere, Ngedere, up here. Ngedere.
Amani! Keduchu! Kibena, you've got to help me! These alien babies are driving me nuts! I can't feel my tail anymore! And if another baby draws on my face!
Listen, Ngedere. You're going to have to jump as high as you can if you want to get up here. Go on, Ngedere. You can do it.
Ngedere.
Jump. You can do it. You can do it, Ngedere.
Jump.
Jump on, Ngedere. You can do it. You need to get more more alien babies, Ngedere. More aliens! More aliens! This is it! I think he's gonna make it! Uh-oh. Oh, we can't lose him twice in one day.
Kibena? Guys? Hello? Anyone there? Okay, it's fine. Don't worry about me. I'm just a monkey on his own, in space.
Ngedere, we would never abandon you.
I know. I shouldn't have doubted you. It's been a long day. I just want to get back to Kokotoa.
I think we're with you on that one, Ngedere.
And I still need to finish my birthday.
But how are we going to get back?
We can blast ourselves back with these. We just need to be heading somewhere down. Huh? I was sure Africa would be right there. But now I don't see it.
No, we're doomed to be up here forever and ever. But how will I survive without my precious pilau? Oh, and my beloved banana.
Calm down, Ngedere. The earth seems to be moving. Look, here comes Africa now. If we wait a little longer, I think it should be right below us.
Oh, I see it now. It looks like morning is beginning down there. Morning? No! We've missed my birthday. Don't worry, Kiduchu. We can celebrate your birthday when we're back on Earth. You don't get it. We're up here in space while the Earth is going around the sun. That means I missed out on completing my 12th journey around the sun. I'll have to wait another whole year to complete a full circle around the sun to finish my birthday.
Maybe you won't have to. Look down there. That's the crater where we found Ngedere. And now we're over here. Don't you see it? We're going around the moon.
Oh yeah, how could I forget? That's one of the first things you learn in Astronaut 101. Everything in space will always orbit the biggest object near it. That's orbiting.
What's orbiting? Did I miss something?
Go ahead, Kibena. Orbiting just means moving in a circle around something.
Aha! Orbiting.
So we're orbiting the moon.
And the moon is orbiting the Earth. And the Earth is orbiting the sun. So all this time we've been on the moon, we're still going around the Earth, which is going around the sun. Yay! I've done it! I've completed my 12th journey after all. The Earth, spinning on its axis.
It spins round once a day. It spins round once a day.
The moon is orbiting the Earth.
It goes round once a month. It goes round once a month.
The Earth is orbiting the sun.
It goes round once a year. It goes round once a year.
Round and round in space, it's been happening this way.
4.6 year to go around it once. The sun, our source of heat and light. It's the center of our solar system. The planets nearby need it too. They orbit it like we do.
When it is your birthday, be sure to tell everyone you've completed another journey around the sun.
The earth spinning on its axis. It spins round once a day. It spins round once a day. The moon is orbiting the earth. It goes round once a month. It goes round once a month. The earth is orbiting the sun. It goes round once a year. It goes round once a year. Round and round in space. It's been happening this way for 4.6 billion years, yeah. The earth spinning on its axis. The moon is orbiting the earth.
I see Africa. Time to go home.
Where have you been?
Pilau first, talk later, okay? Wow, you kids are strong, huh?
You should see my muscles.
Aha! I should have asked you to help me. Yeah, instead of taking a lift with those aliens.
You mean you took a lift with them? Gedere. We thought you had been kidnapped.
Well, they could have. Lucky they only wanted you to play with their babies. You should never take lifts with strangers.
Yeah, alien or no alien. If you don't know someone, you can't be sure if you can trust them. They might be dangerous.
If a stranger asks you if you want to lift, just say, no, thank you.
And if you need help, just call your super strong friends.
Kids, today we're going to learn about the solar system. There are many things which make our solar system unique. Today, we're going to explore how the moon and the earth orbit the sun every single day in our solar system. Therefore, we are going to deal with three things: the sun, the earth, the moon. For today's demonstration, you will need a pencil, some card, a compass or something to help you draw a circle, some small pins, scissors, and colors for coloring in. First, take the card and draw 3 circles using your pencil and compass. Make the first circle really big. This will be the sun. Make the second circle a little bit smaller than the first. This will be the earth. And make the last circle even smaller than the second. This will be the moon. Then take the scissors and carefully cut out each circle. You should have 3 different sized circles. Color the biggest circle in red, because that is the color of the sun. Color the second circle in green. Now it will really start to look like the earth with its green land. Color the last circle in white, or if the card is white, leave it as it is, so it looks like a full moon. Arrange the 3 circles in a line: the sun, the earth, and the moon. Stick a pin in the center of each circle. Then use 2 thin pieces of card to connect them. Every day, the earth rotates on its axis. It takes 24 hours to complete one rotation, and it is this rotating movement that causes day and night. The earth also orbits the sun. It takes 1 whole year, or 365 days, to complete one circle around the sun. The moon orbits the Earth. It takes 28 days to complete one circle around the Earth. That means both the Earth and the moon orbit the sun together each and every day. Why not try this experiment at home yourself and see how our unique solar system works? And kids, remember, orbiting is happening every single day and is part of what makes our solar system unique. Thanks for learning with us, kids! Join us next time for another fun experiment.
What is mathematics? Mental acrobatics every day, all the time. Just use your mind. You use math when you measure width and length, solving problems using mental strength. Use number operations like multiplication. The number you'll find is like magic from your mind. Math is a part of everyday life. Just add, subtract, divide, and multiply. Can you solve the problem? Did you get the answer? Just use your brain and you can do it, sir. Now, don't you rush it. Just take it slow. You must be careful. Don't you know? You use math for all things in life. When you eat ugali, you count your bites. In a parade, count the steps you take. Just listen when I rap. I'm using math. Calculate the distance when you drive your car, so you will know if you've gone far. Here's something else for you to count. Can you count the teeth in my mouth? We can measure width, length, and depth, and represent with X, Y, and Z. Math is used for everything. Just do the numbers in your head. Now try to add up all the spots on my neck. How many do you see? And I even use math to get leaves off the tree.
Mathematics, mathematics, mathematics,
Okay.
Mathematics, how I love it. Mathematics, sing about the magic of mathematics. Mathematics, making number magic with mathematics. Mathematics, sing about the magic of mathematics. Mathematics,
Never miss out on new Ubongo Kids videos ever again. Subscribe today and become the first to know every time new fun educational content is available. Simply type Ubongo Kids English on the search bar. Click on the Ubongo Kids English channel page. Click subscribe on the right-hand corner of your screen. What are you waiting for? You are 3 easy steps away from joining the Ubongo Kids family.